I'm going to show you how administrators can create users and set user permissions in Exelare. Go to your admin module, click on Users and Permissions, then Users. And if you have any existing users, they'll be listed here. To add a user, click Add User, and you'll enter in the username, the password. You'll confirm that password, as well as enter the email address, and then hit Create. Now for this exercise, we're going to use an existing license, and we'll take Andrew here. And I'm going to go to Modify Permissions. Now, this first section, General, is going to cover things that are much more global within the system. Can someone manage user accounts? Are you creating additional administrators? That's one that, if it is checked, then a lot of the other permissions being set are not necessarily going to apply. So just be aware of that. And just go through each of these individual items, questions basically, and determine what people need to be able to do their job properly, and what are things that they may not need to be doing or shouldn't be doing in the sense of protecting your data. So just take your time and go through. We also have a very extensive article on the knowledge base, which you'll find linked on the YouTube video. And I do recommend that you go there because it does go step through step, each of the individual impacts of what each setting will do. Now, companies, contacts, candidates, jobs, calendar, notes, and sent mails. I don't know if you noticed, but every single one of them have the same questions. It just applies to the area that you have highlighted. So, should someone be able to modify an item? Well, sure. You want to be able to go in and if you made a mistake, make a change. But let's say that you're a manager and you want to be able to assign records to people. Well, that's where you can go in and say, all right, well, I'm going to also modify items of my other team members. So just on a case-by-case basis, go through, again, just like in the general section, and determine what makes business sense for a user to be able to do.